Let's wait until the cubs are awake. Yeah, sure. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Oh, you're such a beautiful son. Handsome. You'll definitely get a mate when you're older. I'll name you Prince, such you're so handsome. Yes, that's a really good name. Haha. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Ugh, you look so ugly. But I expect you to be a good hunter, so I'm gonna call you Hunter. Ooh, wow. I like that name. Don't play with each other, kids. I want you to be enemies. Yes, kids. Your father is right. Just because you have different fur color, I want you to be enemies. Got that? Yes, Mother. Yes, Mother. Alright, kids. Let's go to sleep. Prince, come over here. Hunter, stay there. But why do I have to stay away? Is it because I'm too black or too short? No. It's none of those reasons. Now go to bed. Or maybe it's just because you're black. Fine, I'll go to bed. Good, let's sleep. Yeah. 1 hour later. Dad, it's starting to get cold. Can I sleep with you or, please? No. Go to sleep. And don't come here with us. Fine. A few hours later. I want a cub. Well, everyone knows that I'm a kidnapper, so I'm gonna just steal that white cub over there because he's so pretty. Where am I going? Who are you? Don't worry. If I tell you, this surprise would be ruined. I'm just bringing you to somewhere special. After 5 minutes of walking. Here, my idol, I got you what you wanted. Thank you so much. Now go kidnap some other kids so that we can have some dinner. Wahaha. Just to let you know, if you find any black wolves, let me know because they'll be our dinner tonight. Yes, master, I will go look out for one. Why does it feel so hot? Who are you? What do you want? Hey, kiddo, you were sleeping. I think you were talking in your sleep. It is your mom and dad. You're not my mom and dad. My mom and dad are white wolves. You're not white. Oh, but it's night, Prince. You should get some sleep. Good night. But can I sleep with you? No, you may not. Now go to sleep. Also, to let us know you're our cub, please put this on. Okay. Good night. A few hours later. I know these people. They're not my mom and dad. I gotta find my little brother and my mom and dad. These are not my real parents. I know from before I have a sibling. Like and subscribe for a part 2.